All right, yeah, so good morning. It's Monday, September 27th when I'm filming this. Bruno's chewing a bone right next to the tripod, and he's like shaking this. So, hold, please. Sir. Thanks. Appreciate it. There we go. Better. Ish. Anyway, so I was thinking, what am I going to film this week? What do I want to talk to you guys about? So I've been trying to focus more on teacher tips, productivity, and the occasional vlog. And like we've done a lot of vlogs lately because your girl's been really busy getting married. So let's talk about the first day back after you've been off for a couple days. There's always this like, ooh, like spine chilling kind of moment when you're thinking about all of the work that you left for like a sub, and then they have to like, you have to consolidate all that and like still get back into the rhythm and just like jump right in. There's no like catch up day in there. So today I'm going to take you with me, kind of walk you through my process of how I come back from a day off to make sure I'm on the right path, to make sure I'm getting things done, and I don't just totally dread and hate the day. Let's get into it. First tip would be make sure you're in a actual work outfit. So like this isn't the day to wear like leggings and like a nice shirt, you know, like you sometimes can do, because you're gonna need to get a million things done today. So you need to be in the right outfit for that mindset. Also, I took the big shower this morning. The women watching this will know what I'm talking about, but I washed my hair, I did the whole exfoliating, face mask, everything. I did all of it because I wanted to feel great about myself as I went into this day. This could be done the night before, but I was lazy, so I did it this morning. First thing I'm going to do is get my favorite notepad and just start writing down all the things that I have to do for today. So let me grab that. Favorite notepad. I think I got this one from Target, maybe? It might have been a gift too, I honestly am not sure. All right, so let's see. Because I'm at a cyber charter, we have kids dropping and adding all the time. And that's just kind of how that goes, apparently. So I have to do that for one of my new students. I have a student meeting later in the day, but the biggest thing I have to do is my science live lesson. That is the one class I teach. So that is at 8:30, so I have to make sure I'm prepared for that, and then I can get to the rest of the list, which is catch up with my webmails, catch up with my email. I have to put the test the kids took last week into the grading system, and that's probably gonna be the day, to be honest, because I have, 15 webmails, and I have how many emails? 16 emails. And like a lot of these are just gonna be like garbage and probably just delete, but still going through and realizing, all right, is this trash or is this not? It takes a couple of minutes. So I'm going to get ready for my first class. also realized there's another way of communication that I have to catch up with. We use pings on Google, which are great. They're like instant messenger for you cool cats who know that. Oh my god, cool cats. It's Monday. You know it's Monday. But I have to go through that too. But I need to focus. That's the thing. So you need to have a list so you know what you're focusing on, one thing at a time. So like I just got distracted by our middle school instant messenger instead of going through my slides like I'm supposed to. Okay, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Okay, I went through that chat. I have to check my settings in a test program that we use to make sure it's not like telling the kids the correct answers. But yes, I still see tons of emails, but I can't do them right now because it's 8:25, so I have to get ready for class. Yay! One chat was just someone telling me congrats on your wedding, so hey, crossing it off the list, good start to the day. That's the other thing. If you cater to multiple different groups, make sure you check the most important groups first. So like I'm checking with my teachers and my admin to see what kind of issues came up over the days I was off, because the students are probably going to have webmails to me about those issues so that I know where the school department company stands before I go and address my clients, my students, my whoever. Because I know it's not just teachers who watch this. Hi guys! Good morning! Okay, so I just finished my class with my kiddos and I miss them. They're so good. Like, hi to those of you who are watching, because, you know, they're so smart. They found me within a week of being at the school. They're like, I found your YouTube channel. I was like, guys, I was not prepared for this level of detective skills. Okay, so I got coffee here. I have water. So double beverages here. Now I'm gonna start to go through my email, and then I'll go through my email from students. We call it webmail. Then I gotta do some stuff in our testing site, grade whatever work was done over the weekend, update the grade book, and then I think I have a meeting. No, my meeting's not until 12, so I got a whole bunch of time to get stuff done. Let's go. So since I last talked to you, I taught my live lesson. I think I might have done that already. I went through my emails. The only thing I have left is the testing service. They send me a daily upmail of so-and-so did these tests, which is gonna be later for grading. So email is done. I caught up with all of my chats from the school. I logged the live lesson for today, and I'm logging the activity that kids did today. So then I gotta go check my webmails, grade, maybe make a test. It's 11:50. I just got through my web mails, so we're doing really good with the to-do list. On your first day back after being out for however long, it can be very tempting to work through lunch, to not take a break and just like knock it out, get it done. Here to tell you that it doesn't actually work. I know when I don't take a break, I just work slower because my brain doesn't have time to rest. So take a lunch break. Okay, so it's 4:08. Sorry if you can hear the dryer in the other room. It's literally on the other side of that wall. But I got most of my list finished. I put most of the test into the main gradebook from the testing site that we use. I went to my meetings. I have to check the settings and make the test tomorrow on top of my normal Tuesday to-do list. But I got through all my emails. I got through all my web mails, which is really the main goal of the first day back. Just reach out to anybody that you have not gotten back to. Also, be better than me and remember to put on vacation responders to your email and any other web services you use if they offer it. Just so you don't get 3 emails in 24 hours from one person like I did. Sorry. Anyway, that'll wrap up today. I'll probably follow this with some final thoughts though, and some other tips I think of. Good morning. So it's the next day, and I thought of 2 more tips. So first one, if you're out for more than a day, expect it to take more than a day for you to catch up with things that you're doing. Even if you're only out for 1 day, sometimes that can be an overwhelming amount of things. So that leads into step 2, the next tip. Give yourself grace. If you don't get everything done in that first day, it's okay. The main thing, tip 3, make sure you get better with each day. So you get a little bit more done each day and you slowly chip away at that list. Like yesterday, I wore a sweater, tank top, and a skirt, and I wore my slippers pretty much all day. Nope. Today, I actually put on some makeup today, and I didn't put perfume on today because we're stepping up our game. And I wore real shoes. Yeah, real shoes. So I'm getting better with each day as I slowly catch up. Excuse me, sir. I understand you are drinking your water, but I'm trying to film. Hey, so it's now Saturday and I'm editing this and I realized I never finished the video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps others find this content. Also consider subscribing down below so you stay up to date with all of my latest videos. I publish every Sunday at 9 a.m. So I will see you in next Sunday's video. Bye guys.